How did you feel about your Jewishness and your Jewish identity in Poland in 1993, after the time of post-communist transformations in Poland?
Do you see, first of all, you have to understand that as a Jew, and educated in Judaism, we have laws that are universal from times immemorial. A Jew was told that he could not kill. He was not taught he could not kill another Jew, like the Roman or the Athenian or the Persian or the Egyptian. Our laws were universal. One of our basic laws says you cannot condemn, you cannot put the burden on the children for the sins of their parents. So armed with these precepts, wherever I go, I look at the people who I'm dealing with. The fact that your grandfather was a mass murderer, it cannot really interfere with my relationship with you. You know? So that's how we have been able to survive, because our laws are what they are. We do not have the vendetta of father and children. We don't. We have to look at people that's their generation, in their generation. So that helps. I'm armed with that from childhood. This is my law. And that's how we were able to do business with the Germans and go to Germany in 1956 and lived in Frankfurt. The Germans had a problem with us. We didn't. We were doing business with the new generation. That at that time was not very new, but still these were people who were not in 1940. So they were children there, in any event. So how do I feel? I feel wonderful. Unless someone proves himself to be an anti-Semite and a shady character, I have no problems with these people.